If you've ever done fabric markers on anything, whether it be shoes or t-shirts for family vacations, graduation, whatever it may be, and you've had them wear and wash off and they're just not permanent, here's what you're missing. These fabric markers, you can make them permanent. Even on shoes, even on t-shirts, on hats, on canvas totes, on jeans, any fabric, you can make it permanent by doing this one thing: heat setting. So that means once you're done designing, and I just drew a little something here on my little baby's onesie. Once you're done with the design process, let it dry completely. You don't want it to still be wet. Let it dry, and then grab an iron and put it on medium heat and iron it for a minute or two. Iron, you can take it off so it doesn't get too hot. Of course, always keep the iron moving, never just leave the iron still. And then after you do that for a minute or two, that's going to help the ink set into the fabric itself so that it can be permanent and it won't wash out with continual washing, whether it be hand washing or putting it into the washer and dryer. But if you don't do the heat setting, then it won't set into the fabric. So you need to heat set after it's completely dried so that you can have a permanent design and you're able to enjoy it for years and years and years. Again, whether it be shoes or a canvas tote, denim jeans, t-shirts, pants, jackets, hoodies. Literally, if it's fabric, you can design on it, use an iron, put it on medium heat, no steam, and be able to set the color permanently into it. Now, these markers are really great because every single marker has two sides to it. You have a fine tip and you have a brush tip, and they give you different thicknesses. The brush tip gives you 0.1 millimeters to 5 millimeters, depending on whether you're just going right on the very tip or on the side. And then the fine tip gives you 1 millimeter. And I kind of have demonstration here with the fine and the brush tip, so you can kind of see the different thicknesses available from doing that. So this is a really great set of markers. This has 24 different colors in the pack, and each one has two sides to it. So that's 48 tips on here. So highly recommend this set. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.